This is theme number 7, with the title Social Media Campaigning. The first question is the decision-making unit. In this slide, you may see the interactions between main role players of decision-making unit. They are initiator, influencer, decider, buyer, and user. In simple, routine buying situations, it is usually easy to identify the buyer, but in more complex buying, there is often no single customer, rather there is a decision-making unit. When a firm buys computers or household purchases a car, many people may be involved. 5 buying roles can be distinguished, as it's showed in slide. Initiator. This is the person who first suggests buying the product or service. Influencer is a person who advises on the buying decision. Decider, a person who makes the choice on a component of the buying decision, whether to buy, what to buy, how to buy it, or where to buy it from. Buyer, the person who makes the actual purchase. And user, the person who uses the product, the consumer. The decision-making unit structure is a key determinant of the communications plan. We should understand how shall the message should be structured, who are the players the message should be targeted to. A survey from Nielsen showed only 33% of consumers trust advertisements, while 90% put their faith in peer recommendations. Getting influencers to persuade consumers can work in your favor when correctly executed. A social media has the key question: who will receive and transmit the message to your clients, and therefore how to find and build successful relationships with the influencers. Social media influencers are power users who can help your potential customers make a buying decision through social networking. Whether they are a blogger, product reviewer, industry expert, or trusted source of information, your social media influencers are unique to your field and product or service. A social media influencer is a user in social media who has established credibility in a specific industry. A social media influencer has access to a large audience and can persuade others. For example, if we're looking for the social media influencers at restaurant industry, we need to interact with these people: food critics in the industry, people with popular outdoor cooking Instagram accounts, food and restaurant bloggers who write for major recipe sites, food contests judges, and of course TV chef personalities and famous cooks, for example Ramsay Gordon or Jamie Oliver.